Welcome to Bestuseful Tips. Here I will show you how to use split screen mode or multi-window mode on stock Android 11. Swipe up and hold to open recent apps in your stock Android 11. Tap on a app icon. Here you can see split screen option. Tap on it. Now you can see top of the window on your device. Now select other app from the bottom list you want to use. Here we select this. Now you can see two apps open in your device. You can access two apps at same time using this new multi-screen or a multi-window mode feature. Tap on it. Now you can access
Download
your
Amazon
YouTube,
Prime Music
enjoy
today
music
and listen
and
to
open phone
70
settings.
million songs
Also
ad-free. Listen on the go.
use WhatsApp, Facebook in your device. It's quite easy. To exit or a close split screen, tap and hold the middle of the screen and swipe down. Now you can see only one app access in your device. It's quite easy to enable or disable or use split screen mode in your device. That's it. Please like it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.